The first batch of illegal Indian immigrants were sent back to India by the United States on board a military aircraft. 104 Indians were on board. They touched down in Amritsar. And today what we witnessed was politics playing out in Parliament over this. Those are images on your screens of opposition MPs protesting, wearing handcuffs outside Parliament to symbolize what these Indian immigrants had to go through while in fact making their way back to India. The fact that they were handcuffed and their legs were chained. The opposition is saying that the government must answer for the inhumane treatment and the lack of dignity with which these illegals were brought back to the country. Among several questions, they've also asked, why didn't India send a flight to America to pick them up so that they didn't have to face this kind of humiliation? Let's get you all the reactions that have come in. Remember that today, the External Affairs Minister, Dr. S. Jaishankar, also gave a detailed statement in both houses of Parliament. In Lok Sabha, of course, he was completely drowned out.
Legs chained, hands cuffed. This is how 104 deportees arrived in India from the United States. A video posted by the US Border Patrol claimed it marked the farthest deportation flight yet using military transport. The manner in which the illegal Indian migrants were transported back triggered a political war. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar gave an update to the Parliament.
Deportations by the US are organized and executed by the Immigration and Customs Enforcement ICE authorities. However, we have been informed by ICE that women and children are not restrained.
Jaishankar claimed the same process has been followed for many years now.
It is the obligation of all countries to take back their nationals if they are found to be living illegally abroad. Honorable members would be aware that the process of deportation is not a new one. I repeat, not a new one, and has been ongoing for several years.
The opposition protested against what they are calling the inhumane deportation of the illegal immigrants.
क्या सरकार जानती है कि 5 फरवरी को 104 भारतीयों को हाथ में हथकड़ी और पांव में जंजीरें लगाकर, जहां 19 महिलाएं भी शामिल थी, 40 घंटे की यात्रा जिसमें एक टॉयलेट, इस अमानवीय तरीके से उनको जबरन भारत भेजा गया और सरकार चुप्पी साधे रही.
When countries like Colombia, which don't even figure in the top 10, can send an aircraft and bring their citizens back with dignity, what stops our government from sending one aircraft? We don't have a shortage of it.
Opposition leaders also staged a protest outside Parliament. The Grand Old Party is questioning Modi-Trump ties.
बहुत बातें की गई कि मोदी जी ट्रंप जी बहुत अच्छे मित्र हैं और मोदी जी ने ऐसे क्यों होने दिया? क्या हम अपना जहाज नहीं भेज सकते थे उनको लेने के लिए? इस तरह से क्या इंसानों के साथ बर्ताव किया जाता है कि उनको हथकड़ियां पहना के, बेड़ियां पहना के भेजा यहाँ पे?
External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, responding to opposition charges in Parliament, explained that deported citizens were treated with empathy by the Indian agencies.
The authorities have been given instructions, and I would urge Honorable Member Sanjay Singh not to misrepresent that instruction. They have been given instruction to sit with every one of the returnees, find out how did they go to America, who was the agent, how did this illegal industry happen, how can we take precautions so that this does not continue. We have been very, I would say, such sympathetic and solicitous to the predicament of people going.
The 104 illegal immigrants who were caught at the US-Mexico border have become a political flashpoint in India. The deportation has come just days ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's planned visit to the United States for talks with President Donald Trump. Bureau Report, India Today.